Today I'm upgrading my uConsole with Hacker Gadgets AIO V2 upgrade kit. Now this kit will add an NVMe SSD along with an RJ45 Ethernet. It also has USB 3.0 with the option of adding an AC1200 Wi-Fi card. Now the AC1200 Wi-Fi card also supports monitor mode, which is something that I plan to explore at a later date. This kit will also add LoRa, SDR, and GPS. I plan to do a video to showcase everything this kit has to offer in detail. So like and subscribe to my channel to catch that video when it is released. Welcome to technological eliteness.
Ready?